Hi guys, in this part we are going to see arrays in Python. So Python does not have built-in support for arrays, but Python lists can be used as arrays. So let's see in an example how you can create arrays in Python. If I create a variable car and assign it to the list of cars like Ford and Volvo and Toyota, so this is treated as an array. So an array is a special variable which can hold more than one value at a time. So if you have a list of items, a list of car names, like storing the cars in a single variable would look like this. If I just want to save that in single variables, it will look like Ford, and then I have to type the car 2 and again the Volvo. So I can store it in a single variable with the help of array. So next is we are going to see how to access array elements. So here if I just comment that access the elements. If you want to access the elements, you can just simply type another variable which is which you want to store. So we are going to type the cars variable that our array name, and what value we want to store is our zero index. So remember, in arrays that is 0, 1 and 2. So if I just print that x, now you will going to see that code in the terminal. So that is, you can access the elements. So if you want to get the length of an array, you can use a length function. Like if you want to get the length, you can just type there, just comment length of array. If you want to get the length of array, you can use a length function of Python and pass that array name, and then if you print that, it will going to show you the length. So here you will see we have 3 items in our array. So the next thing is how to loop through array. So if you want to loop through the items in the array, you can use for loop. So just comment there, loop to array. So if you want to loop through array, you can just simply say that for x in cars, just print x. And now if I save that and just run that, it will going to print each element in the array. So what if you want to add something in your array? You can just simply say cars dot append and type the name that you want to add is Honda, and if I just simply print that cars, now you will going to see that Honda is added. So if you want to remove an array element, you can just simply use the pop function. If you want to remove element, you can use that pop, and what element you want to remove. If I want to remove that one Volvo, so now if I save that and run that, you will see I just have Ford and Toyota. So the next, there are multiple methods in arrays, you can search them. I have shown you the append, remove and pop. So there are multiple multiple methods like copy, clear, and extend, index, insert, reverse, and sort. You can also sort arrays by using just the sort method. So that's it guys for arrays in Python.